Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to sort your Trello cards by labels, helping you to streamline your workflow for maximum efficiency. The first step is to create or open your Trello board. This is where all your tasks or projects live. Sorting your Trello cards by labels helps to categorize your tasks better, making it easier to prioritize and track them. Now that we've done that, navigate to the menu on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see an option titled Labels. Click on this, and you'll see all the different labels you've created. The reason we do this is to identify the specific labels we want to sort our cards by. Next up, it's time to assign these labels to your cards. To do this, click on a card, select Labels, and then choose the appropriate label from the list. This helps us because it categorizes our cards based on the labels we've assigned to them, offering a visual cue to identify tasks quickly. Let me explain why this matters. When you're dealing with multiple tasks or projects, it can get overwhelming. Labeling your cards simplifies this by allowing you to easily identify and sort through your tasks. Once all your cards have been labeled, we can now proceed to sort them. On the menu, click on Sort By and select Labels. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello sorts all your cards based on the labels you've assigned, making it easy to view all tasks under a specific label. But what if you want to sort these labeled cards in a particular order? No worries, simply drag and drop the cards in your desired order within each label. This is particularly useful when you want to prioritize tasks or rearrange them based on changes in project timelines. And there you have it. You've successfully sorted your Trello cards by labels. The beauty of this feature is that it allows for a more organized and visually appealing workflow, which in turn can boost your productivity levels. To wrap up, sorting Trello cards by labels is a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your project management experience. By categorizing and prioritizing your tasks, you can ensure a smoother, more efficient workflow. Remember, the key to effective task management is organization, and Trello gives you the tools to do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.